Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries placement. So, let's see and let's check ang inyong energy, okay, in general and in love, okay, hanggang end ng August. So, ano ba ang meron pa? Okay, atin pang bubungkalin. Oo. So, again, yes, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, yes, kung meron pong tanong, pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so wow. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Oh. Anyway, so yeah, meron tayong 4 samples ng ating mga evil eye protection. Okay. So, eto sila. So, meron tayong dalawa na bracelet. Okay, meron tayong ring and meron tayong ang tawag dyan, necklace. Okay, so dalawa yung ating bracelet. Isang adjustable and isang garterized. Yan. Okay. So, yung garterized natin ganito. Adjustable natin is ganito. Yung atin namang ring is adjustable rin. Okay. So, ito naman, ito ulit, yung ating evil eye protection bracelet. Ito po ay pwedeng ipa-customize. Okay. Pwedeng sa red string, okay, pwedeng palagyan ng initial. Kung ayaw nyong palagyan ng initial, just say so. Okay? And, syempre, yung ating evil eye necklace. Protection. Okay? So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and, syempre, this is unisex. Okay? So, yan muna, no? So, again, dito tayo sa ating the big 3. Unahin natin itong si 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine. Okay, meron tong citrine. Ayan, ganda, oh. Nag-shining, shimmering din siya. Ayan, oh. Yun. Yan. Oh, diba? Anyway, so, ang ganda nito in person. Yes. So, meron siyang citrine stone. Citrine po ay money magnet. Okay? Siya ay nagmamagnet ng kaperahan sa maniwalat kayo sa hindi. Okay? So, madalas ginagamit po ng mga nagbi-business. Okay? Nakalagay sa kanilang mga alahas. Yan. Mga citrine. Okay? Anyway. So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Kasi siya ay isang charm. Okay? Ginawa lang natin sa ganitong design. Okay? Kasi ang ganda eh. So, sayang naman, no? So, kung lalaki ka at gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, yeah. Kailangan ko ng real name po dito, ha? Ayoko ng alias, ayoko ng ganto, ganyan, nahihiya po ako, ayoko pong sabihin yung, ay, bahala ka eh, iyo to. So, di ba? Next. Okay, yung ating granter, so taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay siya ng surprises weekly, at least twice per week. Okay? Sa energy, pwedeng pera, mga ganyang bagay, or pwedeng meron siyang ibibigay something like, yes, surprise. Okay? So, aside po sa inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? And again, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, this is unisex, and made to order yung granter po natin. Okay? And yeah, paalala ko lang, inyong aalagaan yung pendant. Okay? Itong chain, wala tayong pakialam dito sa chain, kahit magpalit kayo ng chain. Okay? Ito lang po ang aalagaan. Okay? Yung ating pendant. Please. Please. Okay? So, again, dito tayo sa ating cord cutting. So, si cord cut, tagapag-alis po, no, simplihan na lang natin, tagapag-alis ng inyong, sabihin nating alat sa katawan, no, 'di ba? Kung sino man na nagbibigay ng alat sa inyo, aalisin ito. Okay? Pwede sa bahay, sa business, sa sarili mo. O, yan. Okay? So, again, Kung kayo naman ay interesado pagdating sa ating cleansing kit, dahil laking tulong yan pagdating sa ating mga charms and crystals, kasi yun po ang nagre-recharge sa kanila. Yeah, just message me. Ang laman po nun ay white sage and selenite crystal. Okay? So again, let's see what's for you. Aries placements. So in general po muna. Okay? Napanood nyo na ba yung ating collectives na general and love read? So pwede nyo panoorin yun hanggat hindi pa po nalabas yung inyong zodiac. Kasi every time na tayo nanonood ng collectives, collective reading, wala pong hinihinging zodiac sign doon, no? Okay? So ang requirement ko nga lang talaga is dapat naka-follow or naka-subscribe ka. Okay? So in general, what's for our Aries placement hanggang end ng August. Okay. Ang bilis, no? Kaunting kembot na lang, bare months na. Oh, 'di ba? So let's see. May puto bumbong na naman. Pagkain na naman. So ano bang meron? The Queen of Cups. Okay. Ito hindi to para sa lahat, ha. I'm hearing a channeled message talking about someone's reproductive system, na parang magiging okay na yung monthly period. That's not for all, syempre. So, meron dito somebody na kailangang marinig yon. Okay? So, what's with this Queen of Cups? The Nine of Pentacles. A lot of sabihin nating pagpupuri, ang ating nakikita dito. Okay? Some of you, mamahalin mo ng sobrang sarili mo hanggang end ng August, pero sana wala nang end, no? Okay, I don't know if this is isolation, this is energy of healing, pero yeah, this is nice. Pwedeng gagastusan mo yung sarili mo, mga ganyang bagay. Meron something dito na parang way mo para mapakita mo sa sarili mo na worth it pa rin pala. Okay? May compliments ako nakikita sa iba sa inyo. Makakarinig ng maraming compliments bago mag-end ang August. Okay? Some of you, isolate nyo yung sarili nyo. I don't know how. Okay, I don't know why. Pero if that's, sabihin natin your way, kung paano mo, maybe, i-avoid muna yung energy mo, yung sarili mo sa mga medyo stressful na energies, then, okay lang naman. Okay? So, what else? What else for Aries? See, the Two of Swords. This is avoiding rejections, if ever. Let's see. What's with this Two of Swords? Two of Swords. The Knight of Wands. What? Okay. Some of you, ikaw itong parang aayaw ka na makipag-date muna or makipagkilala muna. I don't know why. Okay? Why? Let's see. Hindi ka magiging available in general. Some of you, pwedeng meron kang ka-communicate na pwedeng yun yung parang focus mo that time, or diba, that time, well hanggang end ng August. Yeah, there's somebody else here. Pero I don't know if this person is available. Okay, anyway. So, some of you need to avoid, or maybe there's this air sign avoiding you, or will avoid you. Avoiding communication could be mga ganong energy. Blocking you, or pwedeng may mga literal na iba-block, maybe sa messenger. Okay? Yeah, a way of avoiding, a way of, I don't know, kung talagang i-isolate nyo yung sarili nyo, mga Aries. Okay? So, what else? In general, for Aries placements, the Five of Swords. Why? What's with that Five of Swords? Chariot in reversed. Ang nakuha ko dito is resurfacing. Okay? Or sabihin natin, there could be this person na parang hindi mo kasi mapapagkatiwalaan eh. Okay? They have a lot of secrets. I guess they have a lot of secrets. Parang, I don't know, kung lalapit sila sa'yo, ang ina-advise dito is, huwag mo masyadong bigyang pansin. Okay? Kasi magbibigay lang sa'yo to ng maraming isipin, maraming confusion. Kasi pwedeng, kung ano man ang intention nito, hindi rin naman kasi maganda. Okay? Mapapaisip ka na lang. Totoo ba yun or what? Who is this person? Could be a Cancerian or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Who is this person? Na parang magbibigay sa'yo. Sabihin nating mind games, head games. Somebody nakasama mo sa workplace, could be sa workplace or somewhere na pwedeng consistent mong na pinupuntahan, an environment na consistent mong pinupuntahan. Well, I guess this is a workplace scenario. A workplace. So siguro avoid mo na lang na kumonek kung kanino man yung parang gusto mo na I mean parang sa tingin mo hindi mo mapapagkatiwalaan. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng Aries, you can't trust anybody hanggang mag-end ang August dyan sa workplace. I'm sorry. Yeah. That's so specific. Yeah, see, your boss. Pwede yung boss mo or somebody na pwedeng yun nga, katrabaho mo. Yeah. Okay? Somebody na pwedeng magsasabi sa'yo ng ganito, ganyan, papangakuan ka ng ganito, ganyan, pero in the end, parang wala rin. Maybe, kapag sila yung may kailangan, and then, pag ikaw naman na yung may kailangan, parang wala. Hindi available. Something like that. I don't know. Pero, yun nga in general, mas maganda na isolate mo nga muna yung sarili mo from connections hanggang mag-end ang August. Okay? Oo, mas maganda sarili mo na lang muna. Malapit naman ang mag-end ang August, so kauntian na lang, no? Oo, so anyway, the person on your mind. So let's see, Aries. The person on your mind. Who is this? Check lang natin kung anong meron. Okay? The person on your mind, Aries. Who is this person? The Hierophant. Oh, somebody na pwedeng committed na or pwedeng kasal na. Okay? Pwedeng, yeah, may kasamang kasal dito. What's with that Hierophant? The Queen of Cups. I don't know if they're available sa'yo emotionally. Parang hindi. Okay? Did they drop you? Did they reject you? So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa taong to? The Emperor. Oh my. They're too busy. They're too serious. Yeah. Focus nito is something na alam niya na kailangan niya pag-focusan. Okay? So, anong outcome nyo ng taong to hanggang end ng August? Let's see. Okay. Feeling ignored. Oo, feeling ignored. Why? With the Four of Cups. The Ace of Wands. So, I think there's no energy of I don't know if this is talking about a false start or a failed start. Pero gugulo to sa utak mo, Aries. Yeah, the Page of Swords. I don't know if you're stalking this person. Kasi they're too busy. Wala silang like time. para dito, para sa offer. I don't know kung meron kang offer sa kanya kasi parang ini-ignore niya. Or parang wala siyang time for this because yeah, again, they're too busy. Or maybe they're already committed. Okay, so there. So what else? Who else? I mean, who else for Aries placements? Who else? Aries, who else? The person, okay. The Three of Pentacles could be somebody na nakakasama mo sa workplace, or there could be a third party involvement here. The Three of Pentacles. Okay, some of you want good cooperation with this person. There could be an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, ano tong Three of Pentacles? Okay, another 3. Oh my, I'm hearing a waiting game here. You're playing waiting game. You're in a waiting game. You're waiting for this. You're waiting for a relationship or maybe a connection. Oh, yeah. The Three of Cups. So another energy of third party. So we have here angel number 333 for you, Aries. So check nyo na lang po sa Google, no? Yung another message from universe. So side messages. Okay, the angel number 333. So anong kailangan mong malaman dito? Okay, the Chariot. Oh, the Ten of Swords. Pwedeng may mag-stop. Pwedeng may pipiliin. Decisions. Okay? The good or the bad. I'm hearing that. The good or the bad. The good and the bad. So, decision making. Decisions, pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ng August or siguro hanggang end ng August. Okay? So, let's see. Let's see their emotion. Let's check their emotions. Yeah, the Tower in reverse. Okay. I don't know if this is talking about parang napoprolong na lang yung separation here. Okay, the Tower in reverse. Yeah. Oh, that is why. We have here codependency. So it's like ang hirap i-end, ang hirap tapusin na connection. I'm hearing third party. Okay, I'm hearing third party. Yun nga, kailangan na pong i-end to or i-let go. So siguro, itong taong to is nahihirapan kang i-let go kasi yun nga, nandun na yung familiarity, nakasanayan na, mga ganyang bagay. Pero the situation, it has to end. Okay, kailangan rin ng decision dito, pagpili. So anong meron? Anong potential outcome bago mag-end ang August? Okay, the Nine of Swords in reverse. And the Page of Cups in reverse. Another. So, ito na naman. Nagpakita na naman si Three of Cups. Okay. So, nakakuha ko dito. Hindi pa rin talaga totally mag-i-end itong connection na to. Kahit kailangan na. Opo. Kasi meron dito please, wag mo kong iiwan. Yun. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. Kahit ano, basta, kahit hindi mo ako masyadong i-message or whatsoever, BS yan. Basta alam ko, nandyan ka for me, hindi mo ako iwan, iti-take ko. What? My gosh. Anyway, don't settle for less. Yeah, don't settle for less. I don't know kung ikaw yung legal. Okay, may anak kayo, whatsoever. Pero, gawin nyo kung anong kailangan gawin. Kung kailangan yung idaan to sa legal, then do it. Mas maganda. Kasi magkakaroon kayo ng mga pag-uusap dyan eh. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. That's meeting, cooperation, mga ganyang bagay. No? Hindi yung pwedeng kayo lang yung gagawa ng sarili nyong batas sa inyong mga relasyon. No? Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay, Aries through Pisces. So, Aries, so, a new beginning, a leap of faith, taking risk. Taurus, they want good cooperation. They want cooperation. Some of you, this could be a third party involvement. Okay. Gemini, a decision. Cancer, they want to communicate. Maybe, yeah. Leo, they're being impatient. They want to take action. Virgo, they're juggler. Libra, wala silang magandang plano sa ngayon. Scorpio, they're healing, some of them. They're moving forward. They want a closure message. So, Sagittarius, they're not ready, pero gustong gumawa ng kung anumang hakbang. Capricorn, they want your attention. Or maybe you want attention from a Capricorn. So, Aquarius, they want balance. They want something, sabihin nating totoo or tama, like genuine. The truth, okay? The justice. So, Pisces, they love you unconditionally. But they're trying to reject you. I don't know why. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you again. Bye.